Hey guys, welcome back to Pascalini Productions. I'm Pasco, and today we're going to take a look at the Argo 6 wash from Ayrton. This week in the repair shop, we had an Argo 6 wash come in with a bad pan tilt board. The symptoms of this included inability to control pan or tilt from the MA, as well as a versions mismatch error on the display. Whenever we see this versions mismatch error, we can go into the software versions menu within the information menu and check which board is being affected. The pan tilt board is located in the base of the fixture. To access it, remove the 4 screws on the display side of the unit. Then remove the matching screws on the rear of the unit. Each side of the base has 4 screws that also need to be removed. With the ground wire disconnected, the entire base plate can be removed. Next, we're going to remove the power data input panel. Here, you can see the board we want to replace.
Each of these harnesses is stamped with a label matching the port it's plugged into. However, it's always good practice to take a photo of the part you're replacing.
With the new board installed, plug your harnesses back in. Once the harnesses are plugged in, you're ready to put the base back together. Double check your work and ensure you didn't miss plugging in any harnesses before you reassemble the fixture. With our fixture reassembled, we're going to power it up and check for any errors. It's common for the new board to be on an older software version, which is easily solved by pushing software from another unit. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, smash that like button, and be sure to subscribe.